Dito tayo sa Ayala Mall Center, Quezon City. Ito yung kaganapan dito guys. Ngayon, ang daming tao. Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan to. Sakura Festival. Ayun o. Sakura Festival pala guys. Ayan. Yan guys, oh. Ikita mo yung guys. Yan ang Sakura Festival dito sa Ayala Mall. Ayan guys. Ayan. Sakura Festival. Ayan na. Oh, yun. Yun pala guys.
So, ayan.
May competition April 13, 14, 20. Ayan.
So, ayan ang ating winner ng 11 seconds. Ito kayo sa gitna.
Ayan.
Ayan. So, here is your prize. Ayan. Alright. Ikisa kayo dyan. Yung dalawang mulot, yung dalawang mulot. Alright. So, asan ang ating picture?
Ayan.
So, guys, these are our winners for our telepathy music game. So, ayan. Asan yung mga ano? Asan yung mga sumali kanina? Meron din kayo yung stickers. Asan? Alright. O, gusto nyo din? Asan yung ating picture? Wala ba? Wala yung picture? Ayan, gawin mo na. Alright, so, tingin tayo doon. Alright, once again guys, congratulations for winning our telepathy music game. So since, as I promised, tapos na ang ating stage games, Big Cosplay Parade is starting soon. So to everyone that wants to join, please line up here in front of Yayoi, beside the stage. Once again, to everyone interested in joining the cosplay parade, please line up here in front of the Yayoi, or rather the right side of the stage. Once again, this is day 1 of Sakura Festival here at UP Town Center, organized by Ozin